Namaste, viewers. It's Tuesday morning, April 1, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to the first day of the new financial year, FY26. And also, welcome to ST Money 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate numbers and figures. In the highly volatile first day of new April series on March 28, the benchmark indices ended lower. And in the same breath, on the last trading session of the current fiscal year, FY25, the benchmark Indian equity indices settled in negative territory on Friday. Amid weak global cues, the market opened flat and witnessed lackluster first half. However, in the second half, selling across the sectors dragged the indices down, but final hour buying, the markets managed to close above the lower levels. At close, the Sensex was down 192 points or a quarter percent at 77,415. And the Nifty was down 73 points or 0.31% at 23,519. For the week, BSE Sensex and Nifty 50 rose more than 0.5% each, and for the month, both the indices added 6% each. With this, the Sensex and the Nifty 50 concluded the financial year 24-25 with gains of nearly 5% each. On Friday, Tata Consumer Products, ONGC, Apollo Hospitals, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and ICICI Bank were among the top gainers on the Nifty. IndusInd Bank, Wipro, Cipla, Shriram Finance, and Mahindra & Mahindra were among the major laggards on the index. Meanwhile, the broader market settled lower on Friday. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 and the Nifty Small-Cap 100 indices closed with losses of 0.32% and 0.15% respectively. The Nifty Mid-Cap 100 and the Nifty Small-Cap 100 indices, on the other hand, boasted gains of 5.4% and 7.4% respectively during FY25. Sectorally on Friday, barring financial services, FMCG, private bank, and select healthcare, all other sectoral indices settled lower on the NSE. Notably, Nifty IT index ended lower by 1.76%, dragged down by Wipro, LTI Mindtree, HCL Tech, and Persistent Systems. After a sharp 7% decline, Tata Motors stocks saw a slight rebound, rising 1%, a day after Trump imposed a 25% tariff on imported cars. Despite the recovery, analysts view this as a major setback for its luxury arm, Jaguar Land Rover JLR, which derives 23% of its revenue from the US market. Shares of Asia's oldest bourse, BSE, rallied a whooping 16% on March 28 after its competitor, NSE, decided to defer its plan on shifting the weekly, monthly, and quarterly derivatives expiry date to Monday from Thursday. NSE's move to defer its plan to switch expiry days came after the market regulator SEBI released a consultation paper proposing that the expiry day could be on Tuesday or Thursday. Shares of ITC Hotels surged as much as 6%, reaching an all-time high of rupees 206 per share after global brokerage firm Macquarie Limited initiated coverage with an outperform rating and set a target price of rupees 230 per share, indicating a potential 11% upside from current levels. Since its listing on January 29, following the demerger and spin-off from ITC, shares of ITC Hotels have gained 16%. The fear index, India VIX, which measures the volatility in the market, settled higher by 4.37% at 12.72 points on Friday. Stocks to watch today, first day of the new financial year. ITC, Hindustan Aeronautics, NCC, IEL, HBL Engineering, Power Mech Projects, Prestige Estates, Desco Infratech, Varun Beverages, Vedanta, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, Federal Bank, Brigade Enterprises, Aztec Life Sciences, Bajaj Electricals, Mankind Pharma, ITD Cementation India, ACC, Power Grid Corporation of India, DCM Shriram, Sheela Foam, and Dalmia Bharat will be in focus on April 1. What now for today? Nifty staying about 23,400 would support a bullish structure. On the upside, 23,750 to 23,800 for Nifty will act as key resistance levels. However, a break below 23,400 could shift sentiment to bearish. In the US on Monday, both the S&P 500 and the Dow ended higher on Monday ahead of an eventful week for markets, bouncing back from sharp losses earlier in the day. Tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite closed down about 0.1% to 17,299 points, while the S&P 500 recuperated losses as much as 1.7% to close up nearly 0.6% at 5,612. The Dow Jones Industrial Average erased early morning losses to gain 1% or about 400 points to 42,002 points. Brent crude is currently trading around $74.74 a barrel. Gold is rupees 89,330 per 10 grams. And silver is rupees 1,300,000 per kilogram. And that's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. And if you got value from this, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. You can contact me at sd@st-money.com for any further information. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it's all about money.